Hey Restify family, if you have been a creator for more than 5 minutes, you know the pain. The productivity apps are actually too heavy, too team focused and too overwhelming. And they absolutely do not get the instant dopamine brain we all have. I have been using Bridget for months, but they just dropped their refresh roadmap for the year 2026. And guys, trust me, it completely changes the game. This is not just a timer anymore. Today, I am breaking down every core feature, the new AI called as Blitzy and the mobile app that they just launched, which is currently in beta. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is the new core flow stage system. The new home screen is fast, clean and designed for one mindset: plain fast, lock in and then execute. You can use quick tasks to dump every thought out of your head. Then you can drag and drop from backlog or this week straight into today. It's simple, it's visual, and those new time estimate presets, they make planning frictionless. So actually this is the foundation: clarity before action. Now let's talk about the enhanced Bridget mode. Start a task, you will see the subtle upgrades instantly. The floating diamond is still the star, it stays locked on your screen, it fights time blindness and it keeps you anchored to a task at a time. But to know what is the biggest upgrade? Subtask inside the timer. No more switching windows, no more blinking flows. You can take a 2-hour task like edit video and break it into write script, record voiceover and then export. All of these things inside the focus panel. This actually keeps your brain calm and workflow really predictable. Now here comes the fun part: accountability and dopamine. For example, if you complete a task, you get a celebratory GIF and a message. It sounds small, but it actually trains your brain to win. Digit was built for instant reward generation. It knows how to make progress feel good. But here is a serious upgrade, which is sessions tracking. This replaces tools like Toggle. Every session you complete is logged. You get insight into your time, your flow, your estimates, and your accuracy. If you do client work, this helps you price things properly and understand how long the work really takes. Now let's get to the absolute game changer, which is Blitzy AI. This is where Bridget is heading in 2026. And even in beta, it's scary smart. For example, I'm going to give a voice command and I say, I need to research Gemini 3, write the blog outline and schedule the video shoot for the next week on Thursday. Blitzy AI actually turns that brain dump into an organized task, subtask, notes, and also a schedule instantly. It actually feels like there is a productivity coach sitting inside the app. Now let's talk about the ecosystem and the future roadmap. To be truly useful, Bridget needs to live everywhere you are. And now it does. The mobile app is finally here in beta. You can manage tasks, add ideas, add Blitz session on the go. This actually solves the biggest community request. And with the new unified API integrations, things are getting much more faster. Google Calendar synchronization is live. Your meeting invites automatically become tasks and the meeting link open automatically. Then your Blitz timer starts. So basically this thing actually kills the context switching completely. Let's answer the biggest question. Who is Bridget for? Honestly, it's for the people like us. Designers, solopreneurs, creators, people who feel overwhelmed by complicated productivity systems. Bridget was created by a founder who struggled with focus, and he created the tool which he needed. So it's personal, it's simple, and it's really joyful. It fights time blindness, it gives you accountability, and with the help of Blitzy AI and the mobile app, it's positioned to be the ultimate personal focus app of the 2026. So guys, this is the perfect time to jump in. Check the link in the description for the current offer and the beta sign up for the mobile apps. And tell me in the comments, are you going to use Blitzy AI to plan your next video? That's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye.